Hello, hello. Ay, beautiful. Beautiful. Ayan. She loves my delphinium. Ayan, she's enjoying the beauty and nectar of delphiniums. Ayan. So beautiful evening here in Alberta, Canada. And you guys, beautiful. Ayan. With my squash and battle gourd ready to climb and they start blooming now. Ayan. Beautiful. Happy too and excited for the fruits of my labor. Thanks for watching. Love and ski. Sending hugs to all.